In this conversation, Ashley and Tom discuss their work and career experiences, including their current projects, how they got into their respective fields, and how they handle stress at work. They also express their appreciation for their jobs and passion for their work.
Hey Tom, how's work going?
Hi Ashley, it's been pretty busy lately. How about you?
I've been good too, just trying to stay on top of things. How's your project coming along?
It's going well, we're almost done with the planning phase.
That's great to hear. I'm working on a new project too, and it's been challenging but exciting.
That's awesome, Ashley. What's the project about?
It's a marketing campaign for a new product launch. We're trying to come up with some innovative ideas.
That sounds interesting. I've always been fascinated by marketing. How did you get into it?
I studied business in college, and I've always been creative, so marketing seemed like a good fit for me. What about you? How did you get into your field?
I actually started out in engineering, but I realized that I was more interested in project management, so I switched over.
That's cool. I think it's important to do something you're passionate about. What do you like most about your job?
I enjoy the challenge of managing a team and working towards a common goal. What about you?
I love the creative aspect of my job. I get to come up with new ideas and see them come to life.
That's awesome. It's always great to be able to see the impact of your work. How do you handle stress at work?
I try to stay organized and prioritize my tasks. I also like to take breaks and go for a walk when I need to clear my head. What about you?
I find that exercise helps me de-stress, so I try to go for a run or hit the gym during lunchtime. It really helps me recharge.
That's a great idea. I should try that too. Well, it was nice catching up with you, Tom. Let's grab lunch sometime and continue this conversation.
Definitely, Ashley. It was great talking to you too. Let's make it happen. Hope you people understand it clearly. So please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.